In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up version control in Google Vids. This powerful tool ensures you never lose an important change and can always go back to previous iterations of your project without any hassle. So let's dive right in and make your video editing projects more manageable and streamlined. First up, navigate to the Google Vids website. Google Vids, a part of the Google Workspace, integrates seamlessly with other Google services, providing a robust platform for video projects. Once you're on the page, your journey begins with a simple but crucial action: signing in. Click on the Sign In button located typically at the top right corner of the page. This step is straightforward but essential as it grants access to your personal Google Vids workspace. You'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Select the account you use for your projects or the one assigned to you for professional purposes. This selection is critical because all your work on Google Vids will be linked to this Google account, ensuring that your projects are safely stored and accessible anywhere you log in. After successfully signing in, we're moving to where the magic happens. Now navigate to the specific video project you want to set up version control for. Click on the File menu, often found at the top left of the screen. This drop-down menu is your gateway to a host of features designed to enhance your video editing experience. Next, locate and click on Version History in the drop-down menu. This click is your first step into the world of version control, a world where every change can be tracked, named and reverted to, should the need arise. Once you're in the version history, you're ready to make your mark. Click on Name Current Version. This option is crucial as it allows you to assign a specific name to the current state of your video project. Naming your versions creates a clear, easily navigable roadmap of your project's evolution. It enables you to identify and revert to any particular version with ease, significantly simplifying your editing process. Now type in your chosen version name. This name should be descriptive and reflective of the changes made or the stage of completion. It could be anything from initial draft to post-feedback edits, or more specific like added intro music or final cut with credits. The key here is clarity. The more descriptive your version names, the easier it will be to manage your project's different phases and find the exact version you need when you need it. Finally, click on Save. This action solidifies your version's name, cementing it in the project's timeline. Each saved version remains accessible, allowing you to jump back to it at any time. This freedom to explore creative choices without the fear of permanently losing your work or previous good ideas is invaluable. And that's it. You've just set up version control for your video in Google Vids. By following these simple steps, you've added a layer of organization and security to your project that will make the editing process smoother, more efficient and less stressful. Remember, the beauty of version control lies in its simplicity and the power it gives you over your project's narrative. You can now bravely make bold editing decisions, experiment with different creative ideas, and know that you can always go back to any version you've named and saved. So go ahead. Use these steps to manage your video projects like a pro, ensuring that no good idea is ever lost to the ether of constant editing. Version control is not just about keeping track, it's about freeing yourself to create with the confidence that every change is a step forward, with the safety net to step back if needed. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you take control of your video editing projects, making them more manageable and enjoyable. Here's to never losing a good edit again.